Hey foodies! Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen, where today we're turning a campfire classic into a deliciously decadent treat. We're making s'mores cupcakes. Yes, you heard me right, all the goodness of s'mores in a cupcake. Stick around because this is going to be fun and oh so yummy. Let's start with the base, the cupcake. And what says s'mores more than graham crackers? We're going to need about 9 to 10 sheets of these babies to get 1 cup of crumbs. Now you can crush them in a food processor, but where's the fun in that? Instead, toss those graham crackers into a ziplock bag, grab your rolling pin and give it a good whack. It's a great stress reliever, trust me. Now that we've got our graham cracker crumbs, mix them with half a cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. This mix is the secret to that perfect cupcake base. In a large bowl, beat together half a cup of softened butter and 3/4 of a cup of sugar until it's light and fluffy. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure to mix well after each one. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, because who doesn't love vanilla? Gradually add our dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with half a cup of milk. Start and end with the dry ingredients, a little dry, a little milk, mix, repeat. Finally, fold in half a cup of mini chocolate chips. Can't have s'mores without chocolate, right? Line your muffin tin with cupcake liners and fill each one about 2/3 full with batter. Pop those into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're ready when a toothpick comes out clean. Let them cool completely because we don't want the frosting to melt. While those cool, let's make our chocolate ganache. Heat 1 cup of heavy cream until it just starts to simmer, then pour it over 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until it's smooth and glossy. Let it cool slightly before filling the cupcakes. Now for the fun part, the marshmallow frosting. In a heat-proof bowl, combine 4 large egg whites, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water, but make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. Whisk constantly until the sugar dissolves and the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius. This takes a bit of patience, but it's worth it. Transfer the mixture to a stand mixer and beat on high speed until stiff, glossy peaks form. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until combined. Time to assemble. Once the cupcakes are cool, use a knife or cupcake corer to remove the center of each cupcake. Fill each one with the cooled ganache. Then, pipe the marshmallow frosting on top of each cupcake. And here's the piece de resistance. Use a kitchen torch to toast the marshmallow frosting until it's golden brown. If you don't have a torch, you can pop them under the broiler for a minute. Just keep a close eye on them, and there you have it. S'mores cupcakes that are sure to impress. For the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Enjoy your delicious creations and don't forget to share them with friends and family or keep them all to yourself. I won't judge.